Malaysia bans the import of cheap cars for sale in the country, even if the new car is fat. Malaysia has imposed a ban on the import of cheap cars for sale in the country, whether new cars, gasoline cars, or electric cars. According to the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry of Malaysia, electric cars worth less than $22,000 and cars with internal combustion engines worth less than $55,000 will be banned. Currently, the cheapest electric car in Malaysia is the $21,000 Neta V, with a range of 380 kilometers on a full charge. The Malaysian government has stated that the ban on the import of low-cost cars is to encourage people to turn to public transport, reduce the use of private cars, which cause congestion and environmental damage, and encourage individual car manufacturers to consider car quality rather than price competition.